Today I have got TVS Scooty Pep Plus here. By the way, I'm John, and you are watching Motorcycle Corner. So this scooter has got an air-cooled, fuel injection, 4-stroke, spark ignition, engine. And it has got a single cylinder with a compression ratio of 10.1:1. And this scooter has got 4 horsepower and 6.5 Newton meters of torque. And this scooter has got drum brakes both at the front and the rear. And at the front, this scooter has got the telescopic suspension, and at the rear, it has got monocoil spring suspension. Now let's talk on the dimensions and weight of this scooter. So, the overall length of this scooter is 1,735 millimeters. And the width is 660 millimeters, and the height is 1065 millimeters. And this scooter has got a ground clearance of 135 millimeters. Altogether this scooter weighs about 93 kilograms plus extra 4.2 liters for the fuel tank. Now let us talk on the instrument console features. So, it has got analog speedometer, analog fuel gauge, high beam indicator lamp, economy indicator lamp, malfunction indicator lamp, turn signal indicator lamp, and the odometer. Now let us move towards the cool and comfort features of this bike. Number 1. It has got a decent knee space. Number 2. It has got a pretty good storage space under the seat, and also at the front. Number 3. It has got this LED light at the front. Number 4. The body looks of this scooter is very decent. Number 5. This scooter has got the Kickstarter, and also the electric start button. Number 6. We can afford this scooter at a fair price of 74,000 rupees. But however, this is the only cheapest scooter that is available in India. But performance is what matters the most. Now, let us find out at what time it does from 0 to 60. And also, let us find out the maximum speed of this scooter. So, this scooter did 0 to 60 in 16.5 seconds. And the top speed of this scooter is 70 kilometers per hour. But I recommend you people not to go at 70 speed in this scooter. If you like this video, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.